Hello everyone, today we're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to engage with us via Zoom. So one of the things we're going to be doing is setting up a Zoom date and time and sending out a meeting link either through email like the one you see here or posting the same information through our Facebook Juntos groups. The two different ways I'm going to show you do require the Zoom app. So the first one is just clicking on the link directly and it should open the app and directly connect you to the meeting. The other one is, for some reason, if this doesn't work, each meeting has its own ID number, which is all those numbers that you see at the end of the link, and you can type those in directly to the app and it'll put you into the same meeting. But the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open your app store, then typing in Zoom. That first app that you see, Zoom Cloud Meetings, is the one that you'll need to download. And once that's done, you're pretty much all set. So then you go ahead and click on Then, if you go ahead and open the app, this is that first screen that you'll see. If you want to sign up and create your own account or sign in if you already have one, that's great too. But the quickest way is just clicking on this join a meeting. And like I said, all those numbers are tied to each individual meeting, so not all of them will have the same number. You can go ahead and type in your name. I've gone ahead and put OSU Juntos. And then you can change the settings up here if you want to have your microphone off or your camera off or on, depending on what your preferences are. And then go ahead and click join.